Good morning, dear Shem Stars. How are you all, students? I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, today we are starting with the exercise 12.2, and this exercise is very important for the 5 marks questions. Its first question is Reshma wishes to fix two types of food, P and Q, in such a way that the vitamin content of the mixture contains at least 8 units of vitamin A and 11 units of vitamin B. Food P costs rupees 60 per kg and food Q costs rupees 80 per kg. Food P contains 3 units per kg of vitamin A and 5 units per kg of vitamin B. While food Q contains 4 units per kg of vitamin A and 2 units per kg of vitamin B. Determine the minimum cost of the mixture. That means we need to minimize the cost of the mixture. So students, in such type of questions, we first draw a table depicting the information given in the question. So here, as we were given with two types of food, P and Q. So types of food we will write P and Q, then vitamin, one side vitamin A, the other side vitamin B, and rest of the information that is given in the question will be framed. Now here for the solution, let the mixture contains x kg of food P and y kg of food Q. So students, as shown in the table, we are going to tabularize all the information given in the question. One side the food type, that is P and Q, the other side vitamin A and B. Yes, of course their cost is also given, so we have to write that also, and the minimum units that we can have of vitamin A and vitamin B. So here P type food contains 3 units of vitamin A and 5 units of vitamin B. Similarly, the Q food type contains 4 units of vitamin A and 2 units of vitamin B. The cost of P type of food is rupees 60 per kg and that of Q is rupees 80 per kg. The least units that we can take of vitamin A is 8 units and similarly for B is 11 units. So now we are going to frame our constraints on the basis of this table. So very first thing that you need to know is how to frame this table. Once you are able to frame the table, rest of the question is just similar as we have done in the exercise 12.1. So this concept of framing the table is very important in these problem situations. So on the basis of this given information, we can frame our constraint because we have associated P with X and Q with Y, that 3X plus 4Y should be greater than or equal to 8 because here it is at least 8 units. Maximum could be any. Similarly, 5x plus 2y should be greater than or equal to 11. Again, because at least 11 units were required, maximum is not given. So that means it has to be at the minimum of 11 and maximum could be any. So greater than equal to 11. Next, as in the question, it was given that we need to minimize the cost of the mixture. So that means if we are considering the cost as Z, so that means we need to minimize Z. Now the cost of food type B per kg is given as 60 and that of food type Q is given as 80. So to minimize the cost of the mixture, that means we need to minimize our total cost, that is 60x plus 80y, where x is the unit of the mixture P and y is the number of units of the mixture Q. So that means our function to be minimized is Z, that is 60x plus 80y, which is subjected to the constraints 3x plus 4y greater than equal to 8, 5x plus 2y greater than equal to 11 and x greater than equal to 0, y greater than 0. Students, here x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0 is an understood situation. Why? Because the value of p, that is the number of units that can be taken of p, can minimum be 0 and maximum could be any. It cannot be negative. So x should be always greater than or equal to 0. Similarly for y also, any unit can least be 0. We can't take a negative unit here. So that means again y is greater than equal to 0. Now our next work is to plot these constraints on the graph. Student, you already know how to plot a line on the graph. Similar way we are going to plot these two lines. And according to our situation, our required feasible region will be the outer one. Next, in this region we are going to find the corner points. Here the corner points are 0, 5.5, 2, 1 by 2, 8 by 3, 0. Next is to find the value of z at all these corner points. And from here we are going to see which value is minimum, because we need to minimize the cost. So here as you can see that the minimum value is 160, which is falling at 2 points, that is 2, 1 by 2 and 8 by 3, 0. So this will be our answer. So students, your today's work is to revise this example again. Tomorrow we will be discussing one more example of the same kind, so that you will have a clear idea of plotting a table from the given situation. Again I am repeating, this is a very important concept, so do revise this question again.
That's all for today, students. Do revise what we have done in the class, and if you have any query, please feel free to ask on the Google Classroom. Take care and have a great day ahead.